Hello, I'm Sarah Williams. Thank you for watching this instructional video for the Synera Patch. We wish you success with your IVF journey. All you will need is one Synera Patch in its packaging. Open the packaging and take out the Synera Patch. Determine the spot where the Synera Patch should be applied to your skin. This patch should be applied to the same site where your injection fertility medication will be given as determined by your healthcare provider. Typically, this will be an intramuscular injection site. Synera should be applied to skin that is clean and intact. Remove the backing from the patch. Place the patch on your skin. Once applied, you will begin to feel your skin become gradually warmer. This warming effect means the patch is working to deliver its numbing medications into your skin. The patch will need to be kept in place for 20 to 30 minutes to reach full effect. After 20 to 30 minutes, remove the patch gently from your skin and dispose of the patch. You may continue to prepare the skin as instructed for your fertility medication injection. Thank you for watching this instructional video for the Synera Patch. We wish you success with your IVF journey.